Out in the yard today, you can hear the birds chirping. It sounds so good. Getting ready to do some work. I'm gonna do some weird things with my raised beds, and I'm going over in the garden over next door in the neighbor's yard and do some things over there, but just stick along for the journey. And got my work band on that my husband purchased me for motorcycle riding and gardening. Oh, it's going down today. Y'all know I'm choosing joy. First thing I'm going to do is go to the greenhouse and open this baby up. And what am I doing with my tomato plants that I have left over? Well, some of them are going to go to Britt. She's going to get some snap beans and cucumbers. We're going to pull a pot out for her and get all of these things planted up. Now, I have a podcast with Britt. She was one of my daughter's best friends. She and Leslie were like her best buddies. Britt has a daughter now. Her name is Sunny, and they will be coming by, and I will be gifting them tomato plants, beans, and cucumbers so that she can grow out on her patio deck. My cilantro and thyme are coming in. I have them planted together. So the cilantro is coming up. Thyme hasn't started yet. What you got over here? Looks like a stink bug. Oh no, that looks like a seed or something. That's interesting. No, it's a bug. It's stuck on there. Get out of there. Now what I'm gonna do is in between, I'm gonna plant some corn. Yeah. I'm gonna plant some corn in between. I had an idea that around my beds I am going to grow some things also. So let's sow some squash seeds down in here and see how they go here. See what happens. Because the ones in the greenhouse, I don't have any hope for them. And remember, last year, I think it was, I cleaned out the plant beds, and this is what was growing in it. Just a bunch of lemon balm mint. And I'm going to let this grow around the beds. And as you can see, there's plenty growing. I like it. I'm going to keep it. And I might plant some peppermint around as well. So I'm trying to come in here, but the devil is a lie. No, you stay out of this bed, because that will become a nightmare. These are onions that I put out here that actually came from the grocery store. But I have onions planted all in this bed. And yeah, loving it. I have onions planted in each one of the beds. Going to plant some things for Britt right now, and I'll come back and label these when I'm done. The lemon tree did not make it through the cold snap. Look at all the dead branches. I'm going to feed it and see if we can bring it back to life. With that, we are done.